Alright everyone, if you could all just please stand in a queue and I'll let you in one by one, okay? So the word we're looking for today is answer, alright? Okay, first one. Selam. Jawab. Alright, there we go. Jawab. 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 Milli. Jawab. 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 Alright. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. It looks like everyone's got the same word. Wow. Excuse me, you are... Sakha. Sakha, right. Okay. Is your word also like jawab? Koroi. Hold on, are you the one that comes up with a different word and causes a problem all the time? Look, we can't let him in this time again. Well, we'll let you in this time, but please try to come up with a similar word next time as the rest do, okay? Go on. And are you guys the friends of... Anyway, what are your words? Hara. Haro. Haro. Look, I can't do this anymore. It's getting out of hand right now. Look guys, please try to stick to the same word as the rest do, okay? We'll let you in for this time, but this can't keep happening like this. Alright then, well, go on. I still have it all.